What's going on, guys? I'm Bill and welcome to Bill's How To. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix a leaking tap. Now the tap we're looking at here doesn't leak from the spout, it leaks from the actual handle itself. This is a really cheap, easy fix. A lot of people don't know how to do it, and the ones that do don't want to tell you because they can charge you big money to replace your whole spindle. This part here is actually serviceable and I'm going to show you guys just how to do it. So I'll show you guys what I mean by a leaking tap. So in the closed position we've got no leak. But down here you can see this is all water damage, so it's been an ongoing problem. Turn on the tap. And you can see the water just drips straight out the back here. Now it does initially look like it's coming from the dishwasher connection. It's not actually the case, and I'll show you guys in a second. So I'm just going to quickly remove this handle so I can show you guys what's going on here. Usually you might need an adjustable wrench to bite onto that little locking nut up here for the handle. However, this case it's actually pretty loose, so we can undo it by hand. Now regardless of the design, it's going to be basically the exact same concept, because the issue that we're having here is with the spindle itself. So we'll remove this handle, and you can see right there at the back here, that's actually where the leak is coming from. So if I turn on the tap, I'll show you guys exactly where it's coming out of. So water's now on, and you can see there instantly it's just coming right out the back of that spindle there, and I'm going to show you guys just how easy it is to fix. So I'll quickly shut this one here off. So what I'm going to do now is go shut off the main water supply. So now we've got the main water supply shut off. There's still going to be a bit more water in the line here. So what we're going to do is turn on the tap, release all that pressure, release all the water that's in the line. Once that's completely drained out, we can then remove our spindle. So now we can remove the spindle. All you need is an adjustable wrench in order to loosen that one there off. Now in my case, there's a bit of dodgy plumbing going on here, fitting on top of fitting. So what I'm going to do is hold on to the back fitting with a pair of multi-grips. And then we're going to take off the spindle on its own. And you can see there a bit of excess pressure. I'll let that all drain out into the bucket. And just simply undo that one right there. We can remove our washer. And now this here is the part that we're going to be servicing. So now that we've got the spindle removed, what we're going to do is separate these two parts. We've got the brass section and the chrome section. Turn that one there over to the right, which is what usually engages our washer. And that section there comes out. So you can see there we've got a little O-ring inside. And if we turn it all the way around, you can see it's actually damaged halfway through, and that's what's causing our leak. So all we need to do is replace that O-ring and we're ready to go. Now we've got a whole stack of O-rings here. You can pick these up from your local hardware store for about $3 to $4. Really handy to have around. So we just need to remove this one here. Get one that's roughly the same size. Now that we've got that installed, we can put this one here back together. Now we can reinstall this one here. So now we take our washer, pop that on the top of the spindle and reinstall it. So turn that one there back over to the right. Use the adjustable wrench and we'll tighten this one here back up. We can then put back all our handles and fittings. So we'll turn this one here to the off position, go turn on our main water. So now the main water should be back on. We can now turn on our tap down here. Now this works for both hot and cold water. So what we're going to do now is just basically test it out, turn it on, and you can see there we've got no more leaks. That's exactly what we're after, guys. Nice cheap fix, save yourself some money. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed the video. As always, like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, I'm Bill. Thanks for watching. Bill's out too.